Well, the markets are holding out, so there's quite a bit of Christmas cheer, you could say, on the bourses today, quoting at around the 13,600 plus mark, and the broader markets as well in fine fettle. A number of stocks to watch out for, and those that are midday buzzers. Let's start off with today's debutante, and that is none other than biscuits and bakery producer Mrs. Bector's Foods. It listed at a massive 74% premium to the issue price today after a stellar subscription to the IPO just last week. It opened at about 501. This is compared to the issue price of 288 rupees. In fact, it was on the upper circuit as well on the BSE, and a lot of experts, remember, were betting on a very stellar listing for Mrs. Bector. They were talking about a very strong response to investors from the IPO. Remember, it is in the leading position in the premium biscuits and bakery products segment in North India, and therefore you did have a very strong move coming in. Given the fact that the results as well had been better than expected and the financial performance as well improved, and all of that really led to the stock moving. Cement is definitely in a sweet spot in trade today. Ambuja Cements on an absolute tear, double digits. ACC has jumped this morning, and that's largely on the back of both of the firms announcing the renewal of the current technology and know-how agreement, or KTH agreement, with Wholesome Technology. So as the existing agreement has been renewed, an existing charge at 1% of the net revenues is going to continue for a period of the next 2 years, and has been hailed by a lot of brokerages as a huge positive. Basically, there were concerns on the possibility of a hike, and that was a huge overhang. So now this move comes as a huge relief. Meantime, Vedanta is a mover in trade today. Remember, it's shining on the back of the fact that the parent Vedanta Resources, which failed to garner the number of shares to delist the Indian arm, bought 5% shares via block deal. This took place earlier this morning. In fact, the promoters fixed the price range between 150 to 160 rupees per share for the offer, and with this transaction, the promoters are going to increase their stake in the company from 50.14% to 55.04%. Meantime, you've also got something like MCX that's on the brokerage radar actually. Morgan Stanley is very bullish on this stock. They've maintained an overweight rating and got a target price at about 2,000 rupees. They say the initial margins for crude oil contracts have reduced to 50% from an earlier 100%, and they believe that there are lots of positives in store for MCX. In fact, Morgan Stanley says that this should help to improve the crude oil volumes, and the overall margin picture as well is likely to do better. And in fact, Morgan Stanley sees that they expect volumes for the counter to improve further. In fact, the stock is holding on by a solid 3.5% at about 1730 on MCX.